If you have chronic pain anywhere, it's a sign of acidosis. Pain is an indication that the body is inflamed. Now, when you think of inflammation, it's a response by your body to deal with acidosis. That means the body is energy supply, the blood flow, lymph flow, nerve flow is being suppressed by acids. There's the food you've been eating, the animal products, the cooked starches have caused the body to become too acidic. This affects the lymphatic system and the kidneys, which means that the metabolic acids from your 100 trillion cells have nowhere to go. So when you feel pain in a certain location, it's the body's telling you this location is the weakest point and I have acid all over me. But if you have acids in a specific location, the entire body is acidic as well. It doesn't work locally. So you need to get on 100% fruits and you need to use herbs. That's the fastest way of getting rid of this pain. It's not difficult to get rid of, and there's no harm if you wish to take your medication, but switch to 100% fruits and use the Fab 5 herbs and heal yourself and get better, okay? It's very simple. You will see change. Me personally, when I did it, I had pains and it left me in 2-3 weeks. That was me personally. Everyone is different, everyone will react differently. But get started now.